Here is Jack Dorsey's new decentralized Twitter. This is your new social media. Meet your new social media. Well, that's your clip title thumbnail. The new social media. You did it last time with Instagram's.
Yeah, I did pretty well.
Former founder.
Yeah.
Doing his own social media. Everybody is social media making a comeback. Elon comes in, buys Twitter, and then obviously Zuckerberg bought Instagram. And those guys are like, we're not done. We like so we're going to do another social media.
Yeah.
And this one, I don't know what the relationship Dorsey and Elon. It's a hot cold.
Yeah, it's a love-hate.
It's a hot cold. Former Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey released a beta test of the Blue Sky social media app, but it's still invite only. And he's big crypto, big block, big Bitcoin. He loves it. The decentral, big payments, had the Square thing going on, which they changed their name too, didn't they? Or logo? What are they now?
It starts with a B. Block?
Square became Block? I think you might be right about that.
So, yeah.
Twitter users could have the chance to pivot to an upcoming rival social media app, Blue Sky, which launched its beta test on Apple's App Store Tuesday. Former Twitter CEO and founder Jack Dorsey is the mastermind behind Blue Sky, which he announced he would be focusing on after Elon Musk bought Twitter for $44 billion in October last year. Blue Sky was originally conceptualized as a decentralized social network all the way back in 2019 as an extension of Twitter.
Oh, people were just commenting it's blue as well to rival Twitter.
Twitter Blue.
It's very Twitter blue.
Well, it was a piece of Twitter, so that kind of makes sense. And then you're not going to go change the name if it was an additional item, which then broke off into its own independent thing. Both Twitter and Blue Sky realize that our independence is important to the success of the project, which is why we established an independent company to ensure that we serve the broadest possible interests. The beta app can be downloaded from the App Store by invite only, and users who want to join can submit their email addresses to be placed on the waiting list. According to TechCrunch, Blue Sky's interface is similar to Twitter with slight differences like asking, what's up? In the text. How friendly is that? What's up? In the text box instead of what's happening, but simplifies the process by including a plus button to add 256 characters with the option to add photos. It'll also reportedly allow users to view updates on the home timeline with feeds divided into posts and post replies. So who knows? What would the censorship look like on a decentralized social media? Would it be there at all? What would the moderation look like?
All good questions. Yeah.
I would have to give a crack at this and see what's going on. Building a social internet, decentralized, no central body, no centralized governance, no centralized moderation staff. Many questions. The web, email, RSS feeds, XMPP chats, what all these technologies had in common is they allowed people to freely interact and create content without a single intermediary. We're building the AT protocol, a new foundation for social networking, which gives creators independence from platforms, developers the freedom to build, and users a choice in their experience. Sounds kind of cool.
So is this living on the blockchain as well?
Sounds kind of cool.
Since it's decentralized?
I don't know, man, if it is truly the internet for social. I just have a hard time believing it. There's so much influence. And even when we talk about ChatGPT, we're like, nah, there's people there. There's people making sure that...
pulling strings.
There's people there. And would this be the same thing, or would it be truly decentralized? And would it be able to get away with that? Because everybody gets fired up about things getting posted and the incitement of things, and it could devolve into complete chaos like other places on the web that have zero moderation. I don't know.
Interesting, though.
Certainly falls into the category of interesting.
Yeah. I would vote for that.